Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing my first clay wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review as well. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday and you don't want to miss them. I post makeup tutorials. I post makeup reviews, makeup reviews. Do I post makeup reviews? I do post makeup reviews. Makeup hauls, wig installs. I do it all. So go ahead and turn on your post notification bell because you don't want to miss them. As always, I'll have all the details for this lovely unit in the description box. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today's video will be a review of clay, I think that's how you say it. Wigs. My first time buying a wig from this wig company. First of all, first impressions are last impressions. When I tell you this wig, I ordered this wig on a Friday. It was here by a Sunday. That's not even Amazon Prime shipping. Like, what? From a regular wig company, 3 days? I couldn't believe it was here. I'm just saying. So first of all, that's it right there. That's it right there. Like, we could stop the video just on it because some units take you, you know, a week or two to get. In 2 days? Okay, y'all show that. So they did send me some goodies. They sent me this purple bag. I believe that's probably just to store the wig in afterwards. They sent me a wig cap, and I believe this is a headband. I purchased this wig. It was on sale. It was on sale for 80 bucks. I'm trying to find the wig details. I'll have the details listed down in the description box for you guys like I always do. But and I'll have the direct link as well. But this is a T-part unit. It is human hair. This is loose wave. Let me see, y'all. I want to be specific. I'm pretty sure this is loose wave. It is a T-part. I know that much. You know, it's just the middle part. Comes with 2 combs in the front, adjustable straps in the back, and 1 in the nape area as well. Again, like I said, I'll have it listed in the description box for you guys, but I'm pretty sure this is the 18-inch loose wave. Y'all, I love the way this looks. Like, look at this. This hair is so pretty. I'll have a clip up here of what it looked like when I first took it out the box, because I know you guys like to know what that looks like as well. It does not have a smell. I hadn't got any shedding thus far. I just think this is gonna be a great everyday wig. I mean, it's so soft and the curls are so pretty. So I am excited. I'm going to go ahead and put my little foundation in here and we're gonna see what she working with. Okay, now that we have our foundation on here, we are going to get ready to lay this baby down. Okay, so y'all know I always I have officially switched over to the brown stocking cap. So country. If y'all didn't know, I'm from Texas. I live in Arkansas, so yes, I'm very country. But brown stocking cap. I don't wear the black one, and I've transitioned from young beige unless I'm wearing blonde hair. So that's why I got the brown stocking cap on. It's just easier to blend. It looks more like your hair. It's more natural. So let's put this girl on. Okay, so first impressions. Sis can definitely be worn glueless. Like, you don't need any glue, any adhesive, anything. Like, she is snug, she tight. I love that. I love that. Like, the adjustable straps are perfect for my hair. Like, this is gonna be an everyday wig. I can already feel it. I can already see it. I don't think I told y'all, I didn't do anything to the part. Nothing to the part. I did not flat iron it. I didn't hot comb it. Like, this is how it came. This is how it came. I'm gonna put a little concealer on the part to define it a little bit more, but this is exactly how it came. This is how the curls came. I am obsessed with this curl, with the curls and how soft this hair is. Like, this hair is so soft. Like, y'all, I just recorded a video not too long ago about the Sensational Glam 24, and I was talking about how soft it is for a synthetic wig. Like, this is not a synthetic wig, first of all. This is 100% human hair, and it feels like it. Like, it is soft. Look, I'm running my fingers through it. Nothing. Like, oh my gosh. And then, I don't think I told you guys this, but when you have T-parts, you don't always have to wear them as a middle part. You can kind of slide the part over. So if you are like a side part person, you know, you can slide it over, and then you got a whole new look. And so me, most of the time, I'm a side part person. I don't really like middle parts all that much. So you'll see me, if you follow me on my socials, you'll see me rocking a side part. Like, that is what I do. If you're not following me on my socials, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow them. They are listed down in the description box as well. Anyways, back to this review. Let's put our concealer on this part and let's get into this review, because honey, okay, y'all, look how defined that part is. Look at that. Okay, y'all, so here's the tea. This is the tea. This is the tea. I've never worked with this wig company before. I've never purchased one of their wigs before. This is my first time buying one, and I love it. I love it. Like, this will not be the last time y'all see this company on the channel. First of all, this wig, I want to say it's 18 inches, but it could be 20 inches. Again, I'll have the details in the description box. But, y'all, look at the length. Perfect length for curls. Look at the waves. Look at the curls. Like, very loose curls. I'm obsessed with how soft this is. Like, y'all, get into it. I'm obsessed with how soft this is. Very soft. No shedding, no smell. It didn't have a smell when I took it out the box. Came in 2.5 days. I wouldn't even say that. I almost want to say 1.5, but ordered on Friday, got it on Sunday. Y'all do the math however y'all want to figure it up. Let's just say they got some Amazon Prime shipping type of delivery going on over there. Let's get to this part. I didn't have to do anything to this part. I didn't have to flat iron it. I didn't have to hot comb it. I didn't have to do anything to my edges but cut the lace off. And one of the biggest things is I don't have any adhesive on. Y'all, I brought my glue out just in case I needed it. I don't even need it. Go get her. Like, highly recommend. Let me show y'all the back. Get into the back. Get into the back. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. Ain't that what Sierra said? I'm speechless. I'm speechless, y'all. I can't sing, so. I can't sing, so y'all don't hold that against me. But I am speechless. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday and you don't want to miss them. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and share it with somebody as well. Why? Because sharing is caring, and we are trying to grow our tribe. We're trying to grow our community, and you know, if you like the video, you like the vibe, why not help somebody else join the tribe? I'm just saying. As always, thank you guys for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. You don't understand how much that means to me. I do try to comment on every comment. If I don't, please charge it to my mind and not to my heart, because I really do read the comments. I really do care about you guys. As always, thank you. Without you guys, this channel would not, it would cease to exist. So I really do appreciate my tribe. I appreciate the community. I appreciate the support, the likes, the shares, the comments, the subscriptions, following me on my socials, like any of the support that you guys give. I really do appreciate it. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.